Want to make money online but don't have a single dollar to invest? Good, because today I'm giving you 5 legit ways to start making money online completely for free. No scams, no fluff, just real strategies that work in 2025. These are the same methods people are using to go from broke to earning their first $100, $500, even $1,000 online. Let's dive right in. 1. Freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, or even do voiceovers, then freelancing is your ticket. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Start with small gigs, $5 to $20. Build a portfolio, get reviews, and raise your prices over time. No skill, no problem. Learn for free on YouTube and start practicing today. 2. Selling digital products. You don't need to be a genius to create a simple digital product, like a Notion template, budget tracker, or ebook. Go to Gumroad or Payhip and list it for free. All you need is an idea that solves a problem, and Canva or Google Docs to create it. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn commissions. Sign up for free on Digistore, 24, ClickBank, or Amazon Associates. Start a TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube channel. Create content that educates or entertains and links to the product in your bio. And that's how affiliate marketing works. No product, no inventory, and still earning real money. But remember, it takes smart content and consistency to succeed. Now, I was about to show you the next method, which might just be the most powerful one if you hate being on camera, but I'm saving that for tomorrow. So if you're serious about building real income online, make sure you're subscribed with the bell on, because tomorrow's video is going to give you a strategy you can start without showing your face using just your phone. Don't just watch, take action, and I'll see you in the next one.